program. Today we're gonna cook you some lovely Jamaican vegetable wrap. It is a lovely Jamaican vegetable wrap. Guys, before I do my chicken wrap, so I'm gonna do you the vegetarian wrap. The vegetarian wrap is very easy and simple dish to make. It is like about 10 minutes, everything gonna take. So first of all, I want to share with you, I got some season right here, some spring onion, some carrots, some white onion, and a little bit of thyme, and we got some tomato also inside of it. I got some salt, I got some pepper, I got some dried thyme, and I got some sweet chili sauce, and I got a little bit of soy sauce, and some garlic and sauce also inside of the garlic and salt also inside of this one. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just fry it off and show you how you can make your vegetarian wrap. This one is quick and simple today recipe. So what we're gonna do now, I'm just gonna turn on my stove. Lovely. I'm gonna just put a little piece of butter inside of the pot, just like this. Not too much. Might put a little bit more. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put in some veg. I'm gonna turn up my stove a little bit more now, a little bit more high. That beautiful frying, you can hear that beautiful frying, looking really nice. The reason why I'm using the butter, because I need a little flavor when you're eating it. Really taste really nice. Put a little bit more veg, that amount of veg defined. So I'm just gonna make this fry for about 5 minutes, and you get a proper fry. So the veg is ready. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put in a little bit of soy sauce. Not too much. Pinch of my seasoning. Not too much. Lovely. Little black pepper, coarse pepper. And a pinch of my dried thyme. And then a little garlic and salt. Not too much. Then I'm gonna put some sweet chili. You must say this a chef, I love sweet chili sauce. But you know what I mean, it's a wrap, so you gotta use it, right? Really nice. Take a little time and just rub it up just like this. And this is a beautiful chicken wrap. And this is beautiful. I just put a little bit of sweet corn and green peas inside of it, just to give it a little kick. Beautiful. So this is finished now. So I'm gonna put it in the wrap like you guys can see. So this is a beautiful vegetarian wrap. I put a little sweet corn in it and some green peas. Not too much, just a tiny little bit, to give it a nice little beautiful look. So I'm gonna put it in the wrap, and you guys are gonna see how it looks. And it's finished now, so I'll turn off my stove. Lovely. So what I'm gonna do now, I put it on the wrap, the veg on the wrap. I'm just gonna show you what it's gonna look like now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna wrap it just like this. Take my little time and wrap it just like this. And I just fold it. Take my little time and wrap it and fold it right round and get it perfect. Look at this. This is beautiful. So what I'm going to do now, guys, be careful the way you're using a knife. I'm just going to use my knife and give it a nice little beautiful cut down. Then I'm going to put it right on the plate, just for you guys to see what I'm doing. This is beautiful. Look at this. And this one is the vegetarian wrap from Chef Ricardo. This one is really nice and beautiful. Really lovely work from Chef Ricardo. As I can see, this is the vegetarian wrap, really nice. And as I can look at it, you can see the beans, the spring onion, the thyme, you can see the pepper, and you can see even the very carrot, everything inside of it. And I put a little sweet chili sauce and a little bit of soy sauce. So this is a nice, beautiful vegetarian wrap. You can have this as a vegetarian, really nice, easy, less than 12 minutes to make this wrap. So guys, enjoy this meal, and we got a lot more video coming out. Remember that red button below, you see subscribe, just click on that one and you can subscribe me. You can see all of my new recipe them which is coming out every month, every day, probably 3-4 times, 4 video going up. Probably just keep looking, video just keep going up. So guys, every day we have a new recipe, and remember you can like my my Facebook page. So this is a beautiful one. Let's enjoy it from Chef Ricardo. Lovely one, beautiful.